guys, and welcome back to Channel StageONE. I am Allison and I'm the Props Master here at StageONE, and we are filming in our beautiful production studio where we make all of our fun sets and costumes and props. All of that magic happens here before it gets onto stage. Today our activity is we're going to make a rain stick, and for the rain stick what you're going to need is an old paper towel holder, some rice. I've pulled wax paper, but you can use really any type of paper, and some rubber bands. Now the reason I thought a rain stick would be really fun today was because it makes sound, and sound is such an important part of theater. It's one of the 4 design elements. If you think of costume, set, lights, and sound, sound is one of our design elements. And a lot of the sounds come from old Foley artists from radio plays who would make really great, incredible sounds live on as the actors are performing. And so one of the great things they used to do was use rain sticks to make it rain, and they would maybe like use pieces of metal to make thunder. So I thought we would do something of that nature. So for the rain stick, you're going to take your paper towel holder, and the first thing you're going to do is you're going to get your wax paper or whatever really type of paper you want to use. I'm again using wax, and I'm going to take a chunk, and you're going to make a little square. So I'm going to take my paper towel holder and kind of see the size of my square, and I'm just going to make it maybe like an inch wider than where my circle ends. Doesn't have to be a perfect square. You just sort of need a little sheet like that, and you're going to set it over the edge, and then I like to take my pointer finger and my thumb and just sort of smush it down onto the paper towel holder. Then I'm going to grab a rubber band and wrap it around so that it's nice and tight and secure. There we go. And so then I'm going to flip it around, and I'm just going to take maybe like just a pinch of rice, and I'm just going to go ahead and drop it straight in. It should go ahead and kind of make a great sound. And really that's all I'm going to do for this first time out is just a pinch. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut a similar square to the one I just made to do the other side of my paper towel. I'm going to grab another rubber band. And then again I'm going to pinch with my pointer finger and my thumb. There we go. And then wrap again. And now we've got our really simple and easy rain stick. I'm gonna go ahead and see if it makes a great noise. So nice and slow is what is the name of the game of making this. And we'll do it again. There we go. And one of the best things about the rain stick is you can practice and you can kind of experiment with what you want to see. So maybe this next time we're going to take the wax paper off, I'm going to take the rubber band off, and we're going to add more rice this time and see how that changes the noise. So maybe that was just a little bit more rice. I'm going to grab the wax paper again. Just the same thing, put it back on, and we're going to see how it changes the noise. It's a bit of a more denser noise. And then another thing you can do is you can change the amount of rice, but then you can also change the paper at the end. I now have some tin foil, and so I'm going to put some tin foil at the end so we can hear what the difference between the wax paper and the tin foil. Not actually sure if you're able to hear the noise as well as I'm hearing. And if not, you'll have to tell me about your experiments and see how it changes. So again, I just done the same thing. I made a little chunk. I'm going to use my rubber band to tighten my aluminum foil at the edge. And then we're gonna do the same thing. Hear how it changes and it sounds a little different? You'll have to, if you can't hear it, experiment on your own and tell me what you think. So again, it's just, this is a really great little rain stick that you can keep experimenting with. I'm gonna go ahead and pour some rice out and just do my pinch again and then put my tin foil back on. The other thing with the rain stick is once you find the exact sound you want for your rain stick, that sounds really great. You can then decorate your rain stick with whatever designs you want because it's free and it's just for you to have fun. Maybe you're gonna actually draw rain onto your stick. You're gonna draw little raindrops. You can do that. You can draw whatever you want on there. So this is our rain stick today. I wanna thank you guys for stopping by and doing our activity. I want you to join us tomorrow for another Storytellers. We are bringing you fun and fresh creative content every week. And I want you to remember that theater is for everyone. I certainly believe that, and I hope you do too. Please follow the link down below to be able to donate to Stage One. I want you guys to have a great day. Thanks, guys.